What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and it is time for another massive tech unboxing. As you can see, we've got a ton of packages here today, a lot of big boxes. But you know the deal, y'all. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks, relax, because we got some tech to open up. All right, Ari, make it happen.
We have to go with this one. The big question mark on the back of it is just,
Okay.
I need to know.
Let's see, who's this from? Someone in Norway.
Whoa.
Okay. See some film strips. Your portable cinema. We've got some popcorn. Was this the protection? We got some snacks. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that, but that looks cool. Schmabiter. Schmabiter, okay. I'm definitely not pronouncing this one. Yeah, okay. So now, the actual package itself. Turn your smartphone into your portable cinema. Okay, so it's like a VR headset kind of deal, but for your phone. And the idea here is to put your phone inside of it. It even has like the hooks to clamp your smartphone in place, and it can stretch. So that's cool. Oh, snap. Okay, so this definitely, whew, don't try this at home without a smartphone, y'all. But yeah, just imagine laying in bed, got your phone in there.
Hands-free.
All right, Ari, good choice. Movie mask.
Thank you.
I like it.
It's always good when you start with snacks.
Right? I grabbed the snacks first. What's next? Oh, yes. You know what this is.
No, we don't.
Well, it's from Colorware.
Oh.
All right, so this I'm excited for because I know what it is. Brand new Powerbeats Pro and Galaxy Buds. And of course, they got the Colorware treatment, so you know these are about to look bomb. And I chose the colors, so you already know. All right, Ari, you get to choose. Which one do I open first?
Powerbeats Pro.
Powerbeats Pro, okay. Expensive girl. All right. I think I did the case too, right? I colored up the case. Ooh, man. You guys see that? It's subtle, but it looks so clean. Ooh,
Nice.
come on now. That looks good, baby. So these are my custom Powerbeats Pro. It's got that little teal B on the side. They couldn't have done a better job than this. Now for the Galaxy Buds. So we've got the Galaxy Buds in the same color scheme as the Powerbeats. You guys know I've had the white Galaxy Buds for a while, and I've always wanted to switch it up. This is actually called the Graphite. This is the Graphite color in matte, and it looks so good. But let me show you guys what's inside. Ooh. Now, I didn't put any teal on these because I wanted them to stay a little bit stealthy. So we've got black and that graphite. And man,
It won't like cotton balls in your ear.
they won't, no, definitely not, because take a look at this.
Oh, that's much better.
That's clean. And for those of you who don't know Colorware, obviously they custom paint a ton of different tech. Their site has lots and lots of options for all kinds of stuff. But I've teamed up with the awesome folks at Colorware to do a huge giveaway for you guys, where we give away not one, not two, but 10 brand new custom AirPods for you guys to win. And this is gonna be a special one because you get to custom pick the colorway for your pair of AirPods. And all you've gotta do to enter is follow both me and Colorware, go on their website and make your own custom AirPods, and tweet me a picture of your combination with the hashtag UAC AirPods, and boom, you're entered for a chance to win. So if you guys are interested, I'll have links to all the stuff down below in the description. Check it out, because these are awesome. They do such a good job. All right, Jay, you pick now. Of course Jay would go for that. So we've got a huge box over here. This is from the guys over at Joon. It's a big old box. There we go. Here we have it. The Crane 3 Lab Master Package. You guys see that? There's a lot of gear in here. So let's open it up and I'll show you guys really quickly what we've got inside of here. First thing, we've got the Crane 3 Lab. So this is a gimbal so that if you have like a DSLR or a camera that you want to have really nice stable shots, this is what you want to use. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is the Crane, obviously. Lots of parts inside of here, but the master package comes with quite a few things. Oh man, so this right here is a camera bag. So this should be able to fit the gimbal and your DSLR or whatever camera you want to bring around with you.
I think gimbals are the hardest thing we have to travel with.
Yes. Packing gimbals always sucks a bit, so having something dedicated to that is awesome. Oh, this is no joke. So you get a monopod here, and this thing is not cheap at all. Focus and zoom combo kit, a quick release base plate, multifunctional camera belt, transmount quick setup kit, and a transmount phone holder. You get pouches and belts for days. All right, so we are, Jay, we're good. It's gonna be hard to follow up on that one, but let's see what's in here. This is from the Pierre Box? Yes, it is. So I've got no idea what's inside. Happy plugs? Oh snap, so we got some Saint Laurent truly wireless earbuds. These are the Evo. So I guess it's a collaboration between the two of them. I wanna know what this happy plug thing is. I don't want this to wait. So let's figure this out. So we got some more truly wireless earbuds. They definitely remind me of AirPods. You guys can see that. Just like AirPods, these will not stay in my ears at all. But they have silicone tips or something, right? Oh, this might be the game changer right here. This might be what makes them actually stay. All right, I just wanna cover this really quickly. Definitely helps. I don't feel like it doesn't feel super secure, but just gotta give it some time. Damn. And oh, the case is pretty flat though. So, oh, and it charges on the actual stem. So that's kind of cool. Just throw them in there like this. I like a nice, easy to take around travel case. But now, for the Saint Laurent ones. Oh, this looks high quality. Press this button and you can open them up. And these are the actual buds.
Those look really good.
You like these?
Mm-hmm. Call dibs.
These actually fit me, so I'm gonna keep these. But this combination looks really good. But of course, you know, I gotta test them out and see if they're any good, but it looks, they've got it. All right, Malcolm, you get to pick next. This guy's excited.
Go with this one.
B&H. This might not be that exciting for you. We got a camera bag. So this is the Tenba DNA 15, and I actually saw this at a shoot that I did with the F-18 fighter jet. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked down below in the description. You do not want to miss that one, trust me. But I saw it on that shoot. It was an instant buy. I had to go on Amazon and pick it up right away. They ran out, so I had to get it from B&H, and I love it. All right, what's this guy, right? A solar backpack. Another backpack. All right. Ooh, the quality looks pretty good. Feels very nice, but dang, these solar panels are massive. All right, so we got two giant solar panels up front, lots of compartments. You've got your USB cable, and on the inside, oh snap, even more compartments. I would use this more so, I mean, the way everything is situated, it's all like sideways. So I would definitely use this as like a briefcase more than a backpack. Can you tuck these away? Yeah, you can. Oh, you could take the straps and put them over here, so it's like a messenger bag. And you got an external USB port. So this is kind of cool. Can you hide? I think you can hide this if you want to. Oh, I like that. I like that. So this just made it way, way better. I like this a lot. So let's go with this guy. This is from Sennheiser. So right here, we've got one of their new gaming headsets. This is the GSP 670. I love Sennheiser. Sennheiser has some of the most interesting designs. Look at this, guys. You've never seen something like that. You've never seen a hinge that looks like that before. This is awesome. Yo, these ear cups look premium. Oh, that's nice. So you can actually use these in a few different ways. They have a low latency connection with a dongle. You've got your dongle for it here, and you also have the USB to charge it, and it's USB, it's a micro USB. And I believe 7 minutes of charging gives you about 2 hours of playback, so you can do a bit of a fast charge there. And you get some of your typical gaming headset controls on the actual headset. So when you turn it on, you just wanna turn that volume dial. You also have the ability to mute your mic by putting it up, bring it down to use it. You can control your chat volume with this little dial over here on the side, and you can check your remaining battery by pressing this button over here. So this thing, I am very interested in trying out. It looks so cool. But on to the next. Night Ops Camo Xbox.
Ooh.
Xbox. Oh, this is a nice one. And it comes with a shirt. I don't know how they keep coming out with these controller designs, but this looks so good. And look at the triggers. Like they've got this like ridged feel to them. And we got that shirt. And it says Xbox. Nice. Xbox again, thank you. This looks amazing. Man, my collection gonna look brolic in the gamer's paradise. I'm gonna be a bit selfish here. Now this, I got because of my boy Random Frank P. Shout out to Frank. This is from Nike. Y'all ready for this? I know it's not tech, but it's very, very UAC. Yo, check these out. So these are the Air 270.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
That teal is Nike made this for me. They're like, listen, Jed's gonna buy like 2 of them. Let's just make the colorway. So shout out to Frank, put me on. I love this.
Where's the Nike sponsorship?
Listen, Nike, I think it's time we had a talk. I hope there's a rep watching or something, because we need to make this happen, okay? All right, so next up we've got these, and I could be completely crazy for buying this, but don't judge. I gotta try out all the tech. So right here, guys, we've got a treat dispenser for our dog Cookie with a built-in camera. So I have no idea if this thing will work, but we're definitely going to try it.
Cookie's really easy to train though, so I feel like she'll get it.
Wait a minute. So it says it streams dog TV? What do dogs watch? And how do they know? Okay, let's see what they've got inside. So we've got, I guess this is where you store the treats. You've got the actual thing here, and then you've got a mount if you want to mount this. So the idea is to mount this thing to your wall. You've got your USB cable. This is not a long cable at all. Do you think this thing is meant to cover the walls?
Probably.
That's insane. I'm gonna lose 2 outlets for this? Cookie, I love you, but man. Now, I'm not a fan of the idea of wall mounting it, so I got this, which is basically a stand so that it could be on this instead of my wall, taking up 2 outlets. Okay, so we've got just a few left. This is also from Microsoft, Xbox, and Fortnite. So for all you Fortnite lovers, and I know you exist, you've got an Xbox controller dedicated to that Fortnite action. It's all purple this is deep, deep purple for sure. Oh, so you get a special outfit, the Dark Vortex outfit, and you get 500 V-Bucks.
Is there a code you can give them?
You're right, babe, there was a code. Haha, which one of you wants it? I'll do a giveaway over on YouTube. Haha. But this thing also comes with what, a shirt? Oh, a sweater? That's a nice sweater. You gonna be rocking that Fortnite, babe?
Yeah.
There you go, and it's got Xbox on the inside. Listen, the attention to detail is too crazy. And they even sent over a pop figure with the Loot Llama. And if you guys are interested in stuff like this dope hoodie, the Xbox store has a ton of apparel and all that kind of stuff. So I'll have them linked down below in the description if you're wondering how you can get your hands on some of this stuff. And let's see what we've got over here. It's a big box. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. I knew this came out a while ago, but we're finally opening it. Whew. That Gears 5 Xbox One X. This thing is cold, man. So to celebrate Gears 5 coming out, Xbox has a special One X. Whew. No way, no, this attention to detail? Look at the skull on the inside. Doesn't it look frosted?
Yes.
It looks under it.
Yeah, it looks like it's under.
And you can feel it too, feel the texture. Touch that, Malcolm.
Whoa.
You like that.
Yeah.
He likes that.
That's my Xbox.
There's just designs everywhere. Like, this is nuts. But I think this is easily the best Xbox I've ever seen. All right, I wanna get to the controller. Yo, even the controller has the indents and, oh, wow. This is truly impressive. And it also has those ridges that we saw on the other one. And it's got the rubberized grip in the back. All right, this is going in our bedroom, babe. It has to happen. I'll fight for this one. And when you pick one of these up, you get every copy of Gears out. So for those of you who don't have some of these, here are the codes. Sorry, but I'm claiming Gears 5. I kind of want that, but you guys have access to all the others. And you get some Game Pass codes, so if you want that, boom, and some Xbox Live Gold. We're just gonna keep that right here for the rest of the video. This is a little something I picked up from B&H. You guys saw me talk about this. The RX 100 Mark 7. Point and shoots are kinda dead nowadays because smartphone cameras have evolved so much. But man, being able to put stories on Instagram from this camera, it's so easy and the quality is much better than what any phone will provide right now. And man, I cannot wait. This is gonna go in the ultimate tech kit. But I didn't just get this from B&H. I actually got a couple more things. Screen protector, because if I throw it in there, I don't want that screen getting scratched up. Oh, and if you haven't seen the ultimate tech kit video, links down below. But I also got this grip, so it's gonna be a little bit easier to hold it whenever I'm shooting. And I got what they're actually calling a grip. This is a shooting grip. Now, I've never actually tried this, and I don't know how much it's going to help. Oh, this thing is a lot smaller than I anticipated. And boom. So right here, you'll be able to go ahead and vlog, throw up that screen, see what's going on. That's not bad at all. But what they've done, which is like the biggest upgrade on this guy, is add a microphone jack, guys. So right here, you could plug in a mic or a lav, whatever it may be, and get some really clean audio. Finally glad to be using the RX100 again. Should be really good. Yo, did you see that Amazon gift card?
Oh my God.
That's crazy. But the last package, this is from the P.O. Box. Hopefully it's not a dud. Oh. Okay, they're different sizes, so it's not all the same thing. 5 packages inside of one little box, but what are they? A 20-watt iPhone charger? Oh, okay. So, Galvanox sent over a bunch of different chargers, a bunch of USB PD chargers, some with 2 USB PD ports, some with a single 18-watt. We've got another one over here. We even have like a charging brick that can charge multiple things at once. This one has USB PD plus. Not really sure what that is just yet, but we'll figure it out. Huge shout out to Galvanox for sending all of these over, but I think that about wraps it up for this one. We got some good stuff.
My favorite item was the happy plugs.
You like the happy plugs? You just like the name. We got a bunch of really awesome stuff. They'll all be linked down below in the description. And if you enjoyed it, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. You like that?
No.
Mic drop. Knife drop.